I'm here inside iClone with Lady Lean getting ready to do her singing and animation, or to be animated. Here I have just a preview camera and a switch. So this is Lady Lean. We took our time and designed Lady Lean in Character Creator 3. If you notice, there are lights here already, because I went on and changed the regular lights and gave them starting colors. All right, but I'll walk through the lights and see how the scene is lit up for Lady Lean. So this is Lady Lean. The first thing will be for me to really just work with her lips, because this is a lip sync animation contest. So the motion will come, but I need to really see how the lips work. Then I will go to motion and find motion that will work with what she's saying. So let's begin the project with the lips. What I'll do is I'll find an audio file that I'll just drag and drop on Lady Lean. What we did was took a 2-track, separate it into audio components, mix the whole song, and then extract just the vocal part of that song. That's what we want for this project, and that is what Lady Lean only needs. I have Lady Lean. If all I do is just take this track from the start of the project there, just drag it and drop it on Lady Lean. All right, so let me apply. So now I have Lady Lean. I have Lady Lean here. Now she has a track. If you watch here, so I have Device Me, and then this is the audio, and this is the track that Lady Lean has. So let me go on and play Lady Lean now.
It was so nice when we were once together. It was so fine, like a battle for feathers. Now you.
I mean, it is completely off. So as of now, Lady Lean doesn't really know what to do. She has a voice track, but she doesn't understand what is happening there. We need to really work with Lady Lean to see what is happening and what we need to do. And that is what we are going to do here. So if you click the voice track itself, I will do double clicking here. And then it will open this window for me. So I have this here. And this is why I spent quite some time trying to figure out what it is that this thing is trying to do. So I will choose the track itself here to generate text. Here we have it. So let me go on and apply this. And let's see Lady Lean one more time from the song.
It was so nice when we were once together. It was so fine, like a battle for feathers. Now you want to run away, taking my heart with you.
But you see the text or the lips are still very off, because I've not done any form of alignment. So that is the process you have to go through. And the words are wrong. It says, it was a mess when we were once together.
It was so nice when we...
I will type it here. So I went on and typed all the text that she is singing, or she wants to sing. And this is what I have here, and I'm just gonna apply this text. Then I'll continue the process.
It was so nice when we were once together. It was so fine, like a battle for feathers. Now you want to run away, taking my heart with you.
This is Lady Lean fighting to sing this song with Aculips. So let me go back here and then start to align the song to be sure that she actually is trying to pronounce the words based on the way they're supposed to be. So let me play this first one here.
It was so nice when we were once together.
So here she says it was a mess. Okay, it was a mess. So I will highlight this one here and then select this section. This is what I want. It was a mess when we were once together. This is it was a mess. Let's play this again.
It was so nice.
Right. So this is what I want. It was a mess. That's only this one. And this is what I've selected here. It was a mess. That's what she's trying to say here. Perhaps from here, somewhere around here, to somewhere around here. So what I will do now is I've just selected this text and selected the area I need. I will just align the selected area. Okay. If I choose align, it's going to try to align everything to the whole song. So I'll select this area. Then I'll just say align select. I will do that. All right. So this is it here. When we were once together, and that's what she's trying to say there. I've selected the text. When we were once together, and I'll apply to align the selected text. So let's apply what we have so far and see how she's doing. I'll start from the top again.
It was so nice when we were once together.
So as you see, Lady Lynn is coming up, and then I had to work with those parts or so. And obviously you can tell here that her lips supposed to close when she says when we were once together. You can already tell that together, that no one's lips will look like this if you say together. And that's when you come on and work with these guys here. This is the lips editor. But you have to find something that closes our mouth here when we were once together. No, not really close our mouth, but because you can tell that if it's perhaps this one. Let's just play it and see here. But see, but look, her lips are going up, but I need something that perhaps just makes it normal together. So let me see this one. Well, that is let me look at this one together. Yeah. So that's how you work with the rest of it, all the way to be able to find sections that matches and everything else. So I spent quite some time doing that as part of the work in progress. And this is how much you want her to express herself, whether the lips should be up a little more or it should just be down. So I did. I worked on it, and I eventually came up with something that it's going to be part of the final video. iClone has a great camera system here, so you can create cameras here. So I created a camera because what I was doing was just a preview, but I need to really work with the camera. So I created a camera, I named it top down. After tweaking a few things, I came up with using my Mix Moves Communications 200, using the female one. And then I chose something called Explain. She's explaining something anyway, but it just works well for this song. So let's watch it and see what happens. And this is also after I already finished doing all the lip syncing and gave her emotions and things like those. I'll walk you through my lighting.
It was so nice we were once together. It was so fine, like a battle for feathers. Now you want to run away, taking my heart with you. Now you want to run away, my life and my dreams too. Now you want to run away, leaving me all so blue. Now you want to run away, sending me back to start anew.
All right, so I see that the explain motion from the mix moves communication 200 works well for me. I tried a few other ones, but this is what I eventually settled with. I also see that Lady Lean is doing well in her lip syncing after I tweaked a few things. I showed you that I had to work with her, had to do puppeting in her face, facial motions to do all this stuff. Also had to deal with face keying. Wherein, I had to be sure that some of it, perhaps the expression could be more, but this was what I can come up with. There are also other expressions trying to be sad and happy, which I use all of these ones also. So I modified quite a bit working here and there to give her the look she's looking. I work with the camera a little more. I found the using the depth of field will help out, so I used it also within this whole thing. So let's play Lady Lean one more time and just see how it works.
It was so nice when we were once together.
I spent some time here in my scene to work on with the lights. Also, the lighting section you see here, let me choose this light. I keyframe the lights over time. If I open my lights section here and just go to key light, this one here, key light. All right. So you'll see that a key light has I made selections at different point in times to give it different colors. So over time, the color will change based on the colors I select here. So I start at frame 1. If you notice here, I gave it a blue color. I went on not counting frames, just looking. This is still blue. And you keep going on, it changes to green. And if I scrub through, you notice that the key light, Lady Lean, is changing green there. And if I come here, that is blue again. She's going back to blue. If I come to this one, well, yeah, it's blue again. But I can just decide to just do red here. Say the color changes to red over there right away. Come a keyframes later, it's green. Here, it's another red. Let's just say yellow so you can see the whole idea. So this is how I went also and keyframe the lights from different angles. So if you play the entire video, you see lights changing on her. That's because I keyframed the different types of lights. And that's
it was so nice when we were once together. It was so fine, like a battle for feathers. Now you want to run away.
So you got the idea. This is how I worked with the light to give Lady Lean the light that she has in the final video itself. All this was still in a plain background that you could change. I wanted Lady Lean to be able to sing in some background of some kind. My initial video I released, I have some nice moving imagery in the background, but for the final one, I do not want any distraction from Lady Lean. I want her to be the most important, not moving images in the back. So I changed it to a still frame, just went upstairs and got a photograph of my living room, and then came back and set her in there. All right, so let's see what happens here with Lady Lynn and the backdrop. She's in the background.
It was so nice when we were once together. It was so fine, like a battle for feathers. Now you want to run away, taking my heart with you. Now you.
So this is how I got the background in there. Get it with a depth of field. It's not in focus, so you shouldn't really worry about it when someone is watching the video. It's all about Lady Lynn, sharp, clean. This is how I worked with Lady Lynn in iClone to give her the moves, to do the accolades, to give her her expressions, to put her in a background, to do the lighting, and then to select the cameras. There's a lot more we could do here. What we could do now is to just export Lady Lynn so I can do my final editing in Premiere Pro. To do that, go to render. I'll render a video and select my render choices here. It's a video, it's an MP4 video. I'm gonna do ultra video. This is like 4K. And I have time to wait, so I'll really do some super sampling here. It's a final render. All right, and then I choose a few other things. So that's what I did, and then hit export. Bringing Lady Lynn to you in Premiere Pro. I am here in Adobe Premiere Pro with Lady Lynn already loaded. Okay, Lady Lynn is already loaded here with a single track, the way she sounded in iClone. And I've also loaded the final mix. If you follow through my work in progress, you'll find out that I had a final song that I created in Cubase, and that song was just waiting for Lady Lynn to come and join the live session. So let me play Lady Lynn in Premiere.
It was so nice when we were once together. It was so fine, like a battle for feathers. Now you want to run away, taking my heart with you. Now you want to run away, my life and my dreams too. Now you want to run away, leaving me all so blue. Now you want to run away, sending me back to start anew.
That is Lady Lynn in Premiere. Now let me bring the track that she got her vocals from so you can hear it.
It was so nice when we were once together. It was so fine, like a battle for feathers. Now you want to run away, taking my heart with you. Now you want to run away, my life and my dreams too. Now you want to run away, leaving me all so blue. Now you want to run away, sending me back to start anew.
This is how I worked on this project. This is how I will submit this project. I did some smoothing here within Premiere. I did some color touching here and there so that it has a nice feel to it. The project challenged me to do a little more, and that I think is the essence of being part of this competition. As I move forward, I'm now going to use all the tools that are necessary to come up with animations that will change a few things around me, whether for communications, whether for education. This is a great thing, and this has been a great project for me. I intend to work with everyone who's open to work. Well, this is bye. So long.